Sup everyone, Cyan keys here. Here it is, the Fox65, a keyboard that has a unique slider over here. Let's take a look. The Fox65 is a collaboration board between Chosfox and Mastro with a unique slider at the right hand side. The kit itself comes in a nice carrying case with most of the accessories in the top compartment. Checking out the board first, this board offers a 65% layout with soft edges and curved design which feels light and gentle on hand. WinMax support tri-mode, gasket mount, perky RGB just like any boards you will see. On the back profile, nothing much to cover here. I do see a slot for the brass counterweight and a Chosfox logo at the bottom. It shouldn't be wired only, as expected, it supports VIA for extended customization. In terms of colorways, plenty of colors to check out on their website, with my favorite being the Starlight Silver plus pink accent as you see. My unit is the anodized black with brass counterweight, $193 for the anodized version and $199 for the Electro 4C's finishing as for now. Just to be clear, this is a barebone kit, so you still have to fork out extra for keycaps and switches down the road, which I expect to end up at $250 there. Installation is slightly complex considering there is no guide provided. We start off by disassembling the board from the inner screw seater, then tighten the daughter boards onto the counterweight. There are pogo pins on the daughter board as well to interact with the PCB. Additionally, there is a separate battery cover to make everything beneath it to be as clean as possible. And since we are here, I really like the overall inner design of the bottom casing, especially the stripe patterns over here, very premium in my opinion. I haven't mentioned this yet, this board supports gasket mount with the silicone gasket provided by default, so you can attach on the PCB later. First time seeing the slider as well, it is standalone, totally not attached to the PCB at all. And speaking of PCB, the PCB supports PCB mount stabilizers, 5-pin hot swap with no flex cuts. The flex cuts happen on the FR4 plate only from what I see. Taking a look at the switches, very beautiful. These are the White Fox linear switch made by HMX themselves. Huge fan of HMX switches, and I don't think it should sound bad at all. It is affordable, costs at around 30 cents per piece. Nylon top and bottom housing, pump stamp, and offers a 45 grams actuation force. Apart from that, I really like the LED diffuser with some additional design over here. Keycaps from Chosfox as well. It is a black and white keycaps, dice up PBT, child profile. The legends of the black keycaps are fairly thin in my opinion. Not too bad at all. The acoustics is rich and deep as I want it to. The stabilizers are doing a pretty good job over here as well. The slider is solid, working as a volume adjustment tool. Some might say it is gimmicky. I disagree with that, and I totally appreciate them taking the step to integrate this on the keyboard. Honestly, not much companies are willing to do that. Apart from that, the perky RGB on the keyboard is bright as well from my experience. Back to the Fox65 overall, I am very pleased with the board. The anodized finishing feels premium in touch, and it just feels like what you pay for a premium board. If you don't see yourself using the pitch up and down keys which is currently replaced by the slider, by all means this is a phenomenal board to recommend. I'm going to stop here for now. Any questions, leave your comment down below and I will see you on the next one. Bye!